Here we go, folks. Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave of big yeehaw? Tweetsie Junction, handmade selling shop. Here you can see some entertaining shows in the Valley City. Over to your left is the hot seat, where we'll be having lots of other special events throughout the season. And some of the surprises.
out to get some drinks then? I don't know. Look, I got a plan, okay? If they want to get in that general store, ask the clerk to see if you see anybody. You got it, sir. Cowgirls. Yep. I need you to go up there and get that gold ship and get it ready. I'm going to go and have me a birthday shake.
You can trust me, Sheriff. Oh, good heavens. Sweet mother of pearls is in here.
Look, he's leaving where you shot him.
You're looking a little heavy over there, aren't you?
I've seen you fellas around here before.
Well, just a log cabin right through the tracks. Yeah, pleasure. Say, what you got going on over here?
Well, not that it matters, but it's the payroll shipment for the troopers at Fort Booth.
Ah, the payroll shipment. Looks pretty heavy from over here.
It's actually not very heavy.
Okay, then, go ahead.
Okay, maybe it's okay.
Well, I tell you what, then, to save you from any troubles, we'll help you carry that box.
No, I don't think.
Oh, please. We insist.
Well, I guess if you insist, you get that end, I'll get this end.
Yeah, you go ahead and lead the way. I don't really know where I'm going. I've never been to this town before, you know. I just, yeah. Yeah, we like to help people out around here, you
I
know.
really like people like these around these areas. It's always natives and such, and you never really know who's
Yeah.
What is the meaning of this?
Well, not that it matters. Actually, it kind of does a little bit. This is a damn daylight train robbery.
Coming too.
It ain't just Cindy Brooks. This here's my partner, Sticks and Stones. Don't you care about those townspeople? We took care of them earlier today.
What did you do with the townspeople?
They're in good hands. The rest of the gang.
You monsters!
All right, get over here.
Happy with the
I'll give it my thought. All right, then. Well, it's not going to take long for the sheriff and the deputy here. So we better make this quick, all right? You, take care of the deputy in the general store. Now stay put when the sheriff shows up.
You got it.
As for the rest of you folks, listen up. This is a daring daylight train robbery. We want your cash, gold, and jewelry. Cooperate, and maybe we won't hurt you. Got it?
What's going on out here?
You hold it right there, Sheriff. You don't know who you're messing with.
Oh, I know who I'm messing with. Your creek's the most wanted, boy.
Really? Hey, well, how's that famous?
All right, enough of your shenanigans. Give me your gun and put your hands in the air.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Yeah, why not?
Sheriff! Help me!
Serious?
Yes.
Whatever it is.
Now, Sheriff, you listen and you listen good. I suggest you fork over that gold shipment or else something awful will happen to your deputy. Got it?
All right. Don't you worry. Now look, I'm gonna put my gun away and talk about this like real men.
That's very much good, you boy.
Turn around, face me. Hey, go alive! Can you see that? Come on. Now. You better be like that, Sammy.
How about you give up?
I'll say give up. I'll cut the tab. Just give in. Hey, where's that downline? Are you okay?
Yeah, I've never been better, Sheriff.
Well, Marshal, we stopped these two fugitives here from starting trouble. Yes, ma'am, I agree. Right here. Sheriff, dear Sheriff, stop. We have this civilian. Stop. But come up the fourth thing and face it. Stop. Oh yeah, he. We have to go. Bring go with us. Stop. Yes, ma'am. I'll sure do that. You two get back to front train. Calico, get that shit report. But we're heading into some dangerous territory. I mean gunfights, fist fights, all kinds of wild west extravagance. Keep your eyes peeled and cap guns loaded. Mr. Conductor, when you're ready, sir.
Just down this 10 meters forward move. We'll be making a short stop there. Should be safe, but stay in your seats, folks. Our cowboys will check things out.
Yeah, I see that. I want to, you understand? I want to see him speed.
Oh, he's a fighter, all right, but not enough to put into Yosemite Brook. Would you fight down already? Why'd you make me, huh? Stay with me.
Hey.
Sheriff, you let go. Something bad is still happening.
I want to see him speed right now.
I'm not going to do that.
And why not?
Well, you see, we put the saps on another train, and we set the bars from here where they'll never be seen again. That's true. Now, we got what we want, and right where we want y'all.
Look at how the train has turned.
That's right. There ain't nothing you two can do to stop us now.
Actually, you haven't checked the gold box yet.
Fine, maybe I will check. What is it? Spit out.
You won't believe it. A bunch of playing cards. Aces and eights.
That's a dead man's hand.
Dead man. Dead man's hand?
Yeah, Bobs! Thank you, boss. All right, you two, get over here. You had enough now?
I
know where the civilians are. Well, They're safe all the way at the front of their outpost.
Oh no.
Well, how'd that happen? Well, I'll tell you how it happened. They locked the doors last night on the Loser.
Dakota, I told you we needed more locks.
So silly. I told you that we can't afford no loss.
Yes, ma'am, we'll do that. All right, you two, you heard the woman. Get up on the train. You're going to jail. Mr. Conductor, on your cue. Let's go home.
You know he's awesome.
We have two locomotives here at Tweetsie Railroad, both built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works of Philadelphia. Number 12, the original Tweetsie locomotive, was built in 1917, ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad. From 1918 to 1940, the train ran daily between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. The train got its nickname Tweetsie because of its whistle echoing from the mountains. Our number 190 locomotive, the Yukon Queen, was built in 1943. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960. And today, our locomotives have burned as much as 5 tons of coal and use up to 5,000 gallons of water, making steam to pull slab mountain. Such as this spreading all over the place. The settlers were rich. Folks dug and sifted for gold, silver, and precious gemstones. They and for gold and other precious gems. Visit the Deer Park Zoo. There's more rides and shows up there for little ones of all ages. Then, if you want, come on back and ride the train again. These are always things changing out here in the Old West. You never know what might be next. Here we are back in town. Tweetsie and her crew kept us do a season pass just by visiting our ticket office. Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again real soon. Bye-bye now.